Now coming to coding part of data science, I will write here Colab and open a new notebook. Then importing pandas as PD and importing other libraries. So this is a simple two-line command of uploading a file from your local machine to Colab. This salaries file is on my local machine. I will show you the top 10 records of this file by df.head and 10. And now I will execute this. So we can see the output of this file, and I will also upload another file. So I'm just copying this line, and after a minor modification here, we can upload another file that we have to use in this program, and that is Teams file. It as data frame 2, and I will also show you top 10 records of this file. So we can see the output of this file also here. Now I will merge these two data frame into one. For that, simple command where df1 df2 is equal to pd dot merge and passing the data frame, and it will be merged on these two fields here, id, team id, year id and team id. So now we can see the output of this merge, and if we don't give anything inside this bracket, it prints by default only 5 records. Now let us take year-wise average salary. So yearly average salary, and that is very easy by taking df1 group by. So we have to take group by year ID. Year ID is one of the field, and then we have to take average. So we will take mean, and I will run this code. So this is the yearly average salary. Easy. So now going to a bit more detail about this, where we'll print yearly salary percentage change. Yearly salary percent change, and for that we'll see the line of code that we have to write. It's only 2 lines of code. So we can see here in the graph. So for some better visualization, I'll just add the labels for x and y. Now adding this plot title, x label and y label. Next we will see salary for a specific year. Salary suppose for the year 2010 is equal to df1, and we have to do year selection here, and after this we will print the salary. We'll run this cell, and we can see the salary for that particular year. Year ID is same. Now let us remove these two fields, team ID and LG ID. So now we can see that these two fields have been removed by just dropping the field. Now we will see total salary for that particular year. That will be total year wise df1 df2 dot group by, and so now we will plot this year wise salary, and for that we have to write a single line of code. So this is the graph for salary